Good morning, this is SmartWatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here the most awaited smartwatch from Kospet. And of course, it is the most durable smartwatch yet. And we have here, I guess you know this already. Okay, we already published it on our website, SmartWatchSpecifications.com. Okay, this is your Kospet Tank M1 smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the back of the case. We have the Tank M1, a smartwatch that built like a tank, meaning it is very durable. Okay, shock proof, bump proof, and full waterproof smartwatch. Okay, so it can compete with the popular durable outdoor smartwatch in the market. Okay, so we're going to have a review, a series of videos regarding the Tank M1 smartwatch. This time we're going to have the unboxing review, checking the design, okay, the specs of the Tank M1. Okay, so if you have any questions, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. So let's have the unboxing of this wearable. So we have the specs here at the back. Okay, a plain name here, Kospet Watch You Want. So let's remove the sticker here that serves as a packaging lock for the box. Okay, also have another one here. Okay, let me get my tools. No, I think no need now. Okay, I can easily remove it from the box here. Okay, okay, so let's have, wow. Okay, as I expected, okay, the smartwatch that I want, it's a military style here, strap, and we have additional strap here. Nice, from beautiful packaging from Kospet. And we have here premium looking but a very affordable Tank M1. And as you can see here, it is waterproof up to 580 m or 50 meters. So we have the body of the device. We have a free strap here. Just pick whether the camouflage army style or this one plain outdoor style smartwatch. And we have here the magnetic charging cable. And inside we have the Kospet Tank M1 user manual. So we have the power button here and the back button. Okay, and of course we have the thank you card here and official support 1-year warranty. And wow, we still have additional freebies here. A screen protector. Okay, very nice product from Kospet, full of freebies. At the same time, very good design here of the wearable. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's have a closer look at the device. Okay, so we have the Tank M1. Okay, let's focus on these wearables so we can have a good look on the design. So 580 m. Okay, so back and power button. So grid type here for easy grip. And at the back we have smartwatch waterproof design, heart rate monitoring assembled in China here. Okay, what else we have? Of course, interchangeable strap. There's a bit of weight to it. Okay, we have the display here, rectangular display. We're not sure, let's see. Okay, So what if we attach this strap here? How will it look like? Okay, so let's see. So no worries, very easy to attach with its quick release pin. Okay, I think this is going to be my favorite smartwatch. Okay, not this month, but this first quarter or second quarter of the year. Okay, let's see if there will be other smartwatch that can compete with this one when it comes to the design, outdoor design, and outer style of smartwatch. Okay, let's see. Okay, but so far it looks good. Okay, seems like it is much better to other outdoor wearable that we have. Okay, for the past few weeks we publish the Series 7 and a Series 6 smartwatches. So this is like a breath of fresh air, as the smartwatch do have a very different and unique style. As you can see here, outdoor looking smartwatch, very unique. And of course, one of the main feature of this one, it is very durable. Okay, and it can survive bump. Okay, what else? Fall with its military grade, US military grade rating. Okay, so for the specs here, we have a 1.72 inch 280 by 320 pixel resolution. As you can see here, very good resolution. Not the typical 240 by 240, but 280 by 320. So it runs the Realtek 8762DK processor, known to be fast as well as low power consumption processor. So meaning it will give your Tank M1 a longer battery life. We also have here for connectivity Bluetooth 5.0. Okay, very stable and fast. 380 mAh battery here. Check on the standby time for this one on our links below. We have the material for this one, metal plus GFRP. So I'm not familiar with that one, so we'll check it out. So 580M waterproof, IP69 waterproof rated. It is shockproof and dustproof as well. So we have here the color green wearable or smartwatch. Okay, so far I'm impressed with the look. Okay, I think this is going to be my partner in outdoor cycling, okay, or outdoor running. I can also even use this for fishing, as it has a very good waterproof rating. Okay, no worries about going outside, especially in harsh condition or harsh environment. This wearable will certainly survive. Okay, so it is using the Dafit app support app. Okay, so far so good, looking good, and we'll see. We'll just check it out if there's still power or not. Okay, and we'll see the display. Again, the display here is a 1.72 inch 280 by 320 pixel resolution. So we'll see about that. Power on. We'll see if there's still a battery left. Seems like we still have a battery left. Okay. Okay, so it supports full touchscreen. And as you can see here, although seems like a rectangular display, but it conforms to the design. The screen display here conforms to the design of the wearable. Very nice idea or innovation from Kospet. Okay, looking good, looking sharp, and it is touchscreen. Wow, nice. I'm impressed with this Kospet Tank M1 smartwatch. If you want to know more about the specs here for this wearable, just check the links below, as well as our initial review for this wearable. Okay, so I'm excited for the second video review of this one. Okay, We're going to check on the menus and the different features and functions, especially for the health and fitness functions. We're going to check it out. Again, this is your Kospet Tank M1. So far, where we have a very positive, okay, review here for this wearable. Okay, you have a positive impression for this wearable. I'm impressed with the design. There's a bit of weight to it because of its solid body make here, very durable, and hopefully, okay, it has a, full waterproof body based on the specs here. Okay, based on the, okay, promotion of the Kospet about this tank M1. Okay, so if you're planning to buy the Kospet rack, go for the tank M1. I think it is much better when it comes to looks, and it has a much higher specifications. Okay, but anyway, if you want the Kospet rack, you can also get that one. It's also good. Okay, again, watch out for our additional video review for the Kospet tank M1 smartwatch. Again, this is smartwatch specifications. Okay, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.